Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another weekly breakdown here on Intuition FX. I hope everyone's had a great weekend. I hope everyone's had a good bank holiday for you guys in America. For us in the UK, it's the exact same. It's a normal day. But yeah, I hope everyone's well. So let's just dive right into it. I'm gonna start with the dollar index, as I always do, and I think we're at a very interesting point in the dollar. There are a few things I've noticed which I'm keeping my eyes open. I haven't got a definitive bias at the moment. As you guys can see, we do have an immediate rebalance over here. That shows to me that, there's a willingness to go lower. And I'm interested to see how this pans out, because if we look on the monthly time frame, we do have a monthly bullish order block and we do have a monthly breaker over here. So maybe it doesn't even get down to this monthly order block and we get to the monthly breaker instead. So I'm interested to see how that works out. I'm kind of just, how do I say it? I'm on the sidelines is the best way to put it. I do think we're not done with the buy. I don't like the way we've just stopped here. I want to see this buy side taken. And like I said, that daily volume imbalance, and then, I'll give it a chance to go lower. But I just don't think we're at that stage yet. And I'm happy to sit on the sidelines, if I'm honest. I have no issue with that. Same thing with Euro. Again, I just don't think we've bottomed out yet. I don't think that's happened. And again, I'm not calling the tops and bottoms, but monthly order block right there, in line with a daily order block over here, as you guys can see. So to me, it's kind of like, if we break this PD array, right, because this is the last one in my opinion that's standing, and if it breaks that, to me it's like, okay, we've got buy side here, we've got buy side here, and we've got this fair value gap over here, and then let's see how we trade from there. So I'm kind of just using this daily order block as my last PD array for a bearish bias, because I do think we are still bearish and I want to see this low get taken out over here. So I will be looking for shorts. Not yet. Like I said, I am happily sitting on the sidelines until we get to this daily order block, and that is just something I've analyzed. I guess it's kind of like, I want to know where we're going, and right now I have no idea. And that's the reality of it. Again, Euro, we had a beautiful run on Euro since 19th of July. We've had a good couple of months on Euro, let's be honest, guys. So it doesn't surprise me that we're going to have a little bit of maybe consolidation. Obviously, it's retracement. So I'm just waiting to see, unless we seriously start pumping higher. Like I said, after this, if this PD array gets broken, I'm aiming for this high and then this high over here. And then targeting that fair value gap over there. So I'm interested to see how that works out. Similar scenario in GU, another interesting pair. Got this candle over here, weekly order block. I mean, when I say weekly order block, we've got the weekly fair value gap. Now this is what's interesting to me. It's that level there, and let's take that. All this is interesting to me. That is a weekly fair value gap aligned with this reclaimed blocks over here across. Take that across. So to me, I think we're going to go into this weekly fair value gap and we're going to shoot lower. That is what I'd want to see. Again, we have worked off this volume imbalance. Nice reaction. I want to see how we trade in this fair value gap. This is a very important level for me. Going down to the daily, we do have, of course, if I just get the rectangle, again, boom. So again, I'm interested to see how we trade from these areas. And like I said, I'm waiting on the sidelines. I may look for scalps once we get into these areas, because they will have some sort of reaction in them, in my opinion. So once we get there, we'll see. But like I said, I've got this more marked out. And I think the most important thing actually is to make sure you actually do have them marked out. That's a trend line. I won't be able to see it. Okay, right. I'll change that around. I'm just gonna put a horizontal array and name it weekly. You know what? I'll just do it now. Actually, just get it done with. There and there. Weekly fair value gap on the right hand side. Top. Oh, we'll put it in red. And we'll increase the thickness. And we'll just clone that. Get rid of that. Boom. There we go. So we've got the weekly fair value gap. And here the daily. So I'm interested to see how we trade. Like I said, I've got my eyes on Euro shorts. I've got my eyes on GU shorts. But for now, I'm on the sidelines. I'm just waiting. Today was USD bank holiday. So if you took a trade today, why would you do that? And yeah, so just waiting. So that's my analysis, guys. So I hope you guys find it helpful. I know I keep it very simple, short and sweet. And until next time, I will probably catch you guys in another either a live commentary, or I'll make a video where I speed up my trades as normal. But until then, I hope you guys stay safe. I hope you guys have an amazing trading week ahead of you. And catch you in the next video. Peace.